Welcome to Startup Growth Hub. I am Startup Coach Manoj, and today we will be discussing the secrets of personal development for entrepreneurs. If you're ready to elevate your mindset, grow your business, and become unstoppable, stick around. I have also got free courses filled with webinars, one-to-one sessions, live workshops, and an amazing community waiting for you. More on that at the end, but for now, let us unlock your potential. Point 1. Start with clarity. Successful entrepreneurs begin with a crystal clear vision. They know what they want to achieve and have a strong why driving them forward. This clarity becomes the compass for all decisions, ensuring they remain aligned with their goals. Spend time defining your mission, mapping out your short-term objectives, and visualizing long-term success. Remember, clarity fuels focus and prevents wasted efforts. Point number 2, prioritize learning. In today's fast-paced world, knowledge is power. Successful founders make it a habit to learn continuously, whether it is reading business books, attending industry events, or exploring online courses. They invest in their growth. Learning is not just about acquiring information, it's about staying curious and adapting to change. Commit to learning something new every day to stay ahead in the game. Point 3, embrace discipline. Motivation can waver, but discipline keeps you consistent. Entrepreneurs who achieve greatness often build strong habits that they adhere to daily, even when the initial excitement fades. Schedule your day, prioritize tasks, and stick to your commitments. Discipline bridges the gap between your intention and achievement. Over time, it creates a foundation of reliability and progress. Point number 4, build resilience. Resilience is your ability to adapt and thrive despite changes. Every entrepreneur faces setbacks, but what sets successful founders apart is how they respond. Instead of viewing failure as defeat, they say it as a stepping stone. Cultivate resilience by practicing mindfulness, building a support network, and reframing obstacles as opportunities for growth. Point 5. Stay physically and mentally fit. Your energy is your most valuable resource. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is not optional for entrepreneurs, it's essential. Incorporate regular exercise, a balanced diet, and proper rest into your routine. Mental fitness is equally crucial. Practice stress management techniques like meditation or journaling to keep your mind sharp. A strong body and mind allow you to perform at your best every day. Point 6. Network strategically. Your network is your net worth. Successful founders know the value of surrounding themselves with inspiring, resourceful individuals. Attend events, join communities, and be proactive in building genuine relationships. A strong network can open doors to collaborations, mentorship, and new opportunities also. Remember, every conversation could lead to your next big breakthrough. Come to point number 7, master time management. Time is the only resource you can't create more of. Successful founders manage their time with precision, focusing on tasks that yield the greatest result. Use tools like calendars, to-do list, or project management apps to organize your day. Prioritize high impact activities, eliminate distractions, and delegate whenever possible. Time mastery is the key to working smarter, not harder. Point number 8, practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful mindset shift that can enhance your perspective as an entrepreneur. Taking time to appreciate small wins and lessons learned creates a positive foundation for growth. Start each day by acknowledging 3 things you are grateful for, whether it is a supportive team, a progress on a project, or personal milestones. Gratitude fosters resilience and keeps you motivated. Point 9. Develop emotional intelligence. Being an entrepreneur, it's not just about technical skills, it's about understanding people. Emotional intelligence involves being aware of your emotions, managing them effectively, and empathizing with others. High emotional intelligence improves communication, builds trust, and enhances leadership. Practice active listening. Remain calm under pressure and learn to connect on a deeper level with your team and customers. Point 10. Commit to continuous improvement. Great founders never stop refining their craft. They constantly seek feedback, analyze results, and look for ways to innovate. Whether it is improving product design, streamlining operations, or enhancing customer experience, the pursuit of excellence is ongoing. Adopt a growth mindset and view every challenge as an opportunity to evolve. Continuous improvement keeps your business dynamic and competitive. These habits can transform your entrepreneurial journey. But remember, the key is to start small and stay consistent. If you are ready to dive deeper, join my free course where you will get access to live webinars, personalized one-to-one sessions, and a community of like-minded entrepreneurs. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Startup Growth Hub and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's build your dream business together.